Yeah, I've been watching. They both.
I got on one side.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through.
Our route took us through Chadbourne, North Carolina today, a town that had really deteriorated since the passenger trains stopped coming through in 1966. Rocky Mount Mills is on the site of the second oldest cotton mill in North Carolina. Today it's an 82-acre campus that's home to businesses, residential spaces, restaurants, and breweries.